High-traffic restrooms require a prioritized cleaning frequency so critical touchpoints stay sanitary while lower-use areas do not waste staff time. Start by mapping the space and listing surfaces by contact rate and soiling likelihood. Clean and disinfect high-touch fixtures like faucet handles, flush levers, door handles, soap dispensers, and hand dryers every day using an EPA-registered disinfectant and following the product contact time on the label. Floors under sinks and main walkways should be swept and damp mopped daily with an appropriate cleaner and spot mopped immediately when visible soil appears to prevent tracking and slips. Toilets and urinals need daily cleaning of seats, rims, and exterior surfaces, plus an inspection for buildup. Use a bowl cleaner for interior surfaces and a separate cloth or disposable wipe for exteriors to avoid cross-contamination. Empty and line trash receptacles daily and check feminine hygiene units at least once per day or more often in heavy-use locations. Deep cleaning tasks such as descaling fixtures, cleaning grout, and removing mineral buildup behind toilets and pipes should be scheduled weekly to monthly depending on water hardness and usage intensity. Document each deep clean event so frequency can be adjusted based on observed soiling. Maintain a simple log with time, initials, and tasks completed so supervisors can track patterns and allocate staff time where it reduces complaints and improves appearance. Common mistakes include treating every surface the same and wasting labor on low-touch areas, which you avoid by tiering tasks into daily high-touch, several times weekly medium-touch, and weekly to monthly low-touch lists. Another issue is using one cloth or mop head across multiple areas leading to cross-contamination, and the fix is color code or fully separate tools for toilets, sinks, and floors and launder, or replace them regularly. A third concern is ignoring environmental factors like ventilation and peak times, which causes odors and accelerated soiling. Address this by increasing cleaning frequency during known peak periods and ensuring exhaust fans and air turnover are functioning to reduce moisture and biofilm buildup. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners discover trusted local contractors and to help contractors find jobs tied to maintenance and renovation needs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where property managers and cleaners share schedules, product recommendations, and real-world tips for maintaining high-traffic restrooms.